We are good friends, Buckles this. You have ordered to shoot Alex. Right. No. No, 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 no. Why? Why have you shot them? Wait, we can use them for next time. Right. Do you know this guy and this ship? Yes. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. He's a friend. Right. We have a job to do, Jane. Yes. We will come back soon. We have a mission to do now. Welcome, Commander. You can enter. Hello, sir. We have been waiting for you. Right. This is the place, Boba. Look out, enemies. Like that. Right. Don't worry. You have armor. Wait, I'm going to shoot those. We are clear now. Wait. More enemies. Yes, I know. There are too much. I'm going to use a frag grenade. Oh, my eyes. Don't forget to like and subscribe because this is the way.